Hi everybody, Cindy the Scrapologist. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. This is just a quick share today to show you the new scrapbook mini album in my shop. I was in Michael's a couple of weeks ago and saw this paper pad. Of course the glare is going to be horrible. And I fell in love with it. It's so beautiful. It's the Fantasy Floral Pack, sorry for the glare, by Recollections. But I love rose gold. My original wedding ring set was rose gold. It was my great-grandmother's set, and I ended up having to take it off and store it because it was so old. It was made in 1914. And we had to get a new set because it was just getting really worn out and I was afraid for it. But ever since I got that ring from her, I've loved rose gold. But look at the black against the pastel pink. The colors are just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I don't have a whole lot left, but look at that. So pretty. There's rose gold all through here. Anyway, so I got this pack, and I wish I bought two because this is an older collection. Not sure if I can find any more, but at least I got one album out of it. So this is the mini album that I made. All beautiful things are wild and free. That's in rose gold. I love the sentiment. The album is 6.5 by 8, and there on the front there is room for if you wanted to stick a photograph or something like that in here. There's a little bit of room to behind the flowers because the flowers pop up. A little bit of room to do that. On the spine, the whole thing is made from chipboard, so it's nice and sturdy. The spine has room for you to put your name or whatever you would like there. There's the back. It has 6 signatures, and each one has pockets, and 2 of them flip out to make a 3-page spread. There are also accordion fold inserts and 2 of these inserts. So this one has a pocket here and a pocket here so that you can put in whatever you'd like. Look how pretty that is. And this album really can be for any occasion. And there are 2, I think, maybe 3 of the 2, I think, of these accordion folds. I didn't do a lot of photo mats because I didn't want to cover up the paper. I figured I would let you choose, whoever buys it, let them choose where they want to put where they want to put their photos. But all of the inserts have photo mats. Sorry, let me fix my headset here. I hope it hasn't been rattling. Okay, so each pocket has a side pocket, and this sentiment says, "Happiness blooms from within." Isn't that so pretty? And it's in the rose gold. I just loved working with this paper. Don't you love when you see something and you immediately have to make something with it? So here's a photo mat. These photo mats can accommodate 5 by 7s, by the way. And here's another photo mat. Another photo mat in this pocket. And another photo mat here. And so here's room for a photo here. You could put a photo here and not have to cover this up. And then there's a little pocket here if you wanted to stick some goodies in there. Room for journaling. Here's another trifold with photo mats. And it says love up here in rose gold. And of course, photo mat there. And you can put these either way, obviously. I like them this way personally. And another pocket here with a photo mat. Photo mat. Plenty of room for a large photo here or a couple of landscape photos. Another little pocket. Photo mat. And this says Courage and Dreams. And beautiful, lots of rose gold on that one. So it's really a positive, uplifting theme throughout the book. Photomat. Photomat. Look, this is my favorite paper. Oh, it's just so pretty. This opens up into a trifold. There's a little tuck spot there, and photomat there, and photomat here. And then if you want to open it up this way, look at this spread. So pretty. I really featured my favorite paper on this one. Photomat. Here's a photo frame. And then in the back, there's a belly band, and there's another one of these little folios where you can put photos and memorabilia. Oops, goes this way. So that is the new album in my shop. I haven't made a mini album in a while. I've been focusing a lot on junk journals. So I hope you like it. And I'll give the link. I just had a brain cramp there. I'll put the link below to the album. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.